for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, passenger airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.